If I start to count all the blessings of God, now they keep me with no going. My brother, I don't go away. If I start to talk, the thing with my God, they don't do it no go. My sister, we don't go away.
Oh, yeah, joke for me. I do fair for now. And no one is okay. I do fair for now. Oh, yeah, go mole. I do fair for now.
Waiting my never see, waiting my never see, waiting my never hear, waiting my never hear. You are take survive, you are survive.
Electric and hand-powered tooling machines are hereby used to demonstrate some wood tooling basics. Tooling is a preferred technique for making circular holes in wood, and it also enables easier use of screws for wood joinery, as I tend to screw pre-drilled wood together a lot. It is a good idea to firmly hold or clamp down the drilled piece of wood to prevent it from rotating, together with the bits of the drilling machine. It is important, as usual, that power tools are carefully used to ensure operational safety. Also, note that wood with different properties such as hardness, thickness, and so on are likely to require different dwelling times and efforts. Here, quickly show the way to remove and install drill bits off and onto the shock of both the hand and electric powered drilling machines.
Thanks for watching, and always remember that it's not important. If you are not into